guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video I'm going to review Octavi OS, which is available for Redmi Note 8 and T and various Xiaomi devices. So this is quite good ROM, but there is nothing interesting actually. So as for now, there is no complaint about this ROM. It's working fine, there is no lag, battery backup is superb, and everything is just fine. There is nothing you can say about it. But nowadays the ROM is becoming boring because all of the ROM is based on AOSP, where you cannot find many features, themes and other things as we used to get in older phones. So and old times there are a lot of ROMs like MIUI, Sony UI and everything. They used to make custom ROM a lot, and there is a lot to choose from. But nowadays everything is same. There is nothing new as long as you don't use MIUI. So apart from MIUI, there is nothing. All of them based on AOSP and all of them pure stock. And some of them got some little feature, like this Octavi always got some features to customize your status bar and other things. And rather than that, there is nothing actually. But one thing is very good about this ROM is that everything is really organized, so you can do whatever you want. So like as I reviewed Ancient ROM, which is quite laggy and also has some subtle features like this, but that ROM is quite like the features are quite scattered around, so you can't really find the proper features you want. So it's really frustrating. So about this ROM, the fingerprint scanner is let me show you. So tap and it's open, and fingerprint scanner is quite fast. And also about the gaming and other performance. So as I don't play game, but I have used this ROM for my video editing purpose, so I think it can handle pretty much games. But don't expect too much from this ROM because Redmi Note 8 is not a gaming phone. It's just a phone for, you can say, for basic use. So any heavy load it cannot handle. So for now, but as I have used like Facebook, YouTube and other things, I didn't get any kind of problem. And one thing I have found is that, which is not that annoying, sometimes the skin become landscape. So I don't know why. I have found this problem in my previous 2-3 ROMs too. Sometimes it's become landscape mode from portrait automatically, and I need to do it again portrait. And also my auto rotation always off. I don't use auto rotation, but still there is problem with that thing. And camera performance is good, and the camera I use mainly is Google camera. This camera I use mostly, and if you want this camera's link, I can provide. This is quite a good camera which I'm using for I think about 2-3 months, and it's updating. As you can see, the version of this ROM, this camera, let me show you. So it's the version of this is 8.0.11, and I have a XML file for this, which I got from where I have downloaded this camera, and the camera performance is really good, although I'm not showing because there is nothing special. So if you have used Redmi Note 8 and others phones, so the experience will be similar. There's not much different, like if you change the ROM. So mainly about this ROM is that there is no lag. You can really use this ROM as a daily driver. And about other things like because I don't really use any bank apps in my Android phone, so I don't know really that the bank apps and other things will work or not. So if you really want this ROM, then you have to check it and you try to use. I think there will be option to hide Magisk and use bank apps. So if you are actually, it's not that good to run bank apps on custom ROMs as for its unlocked bootloader. So better use something else. Where you're flashing your ROM, don't use your bank apps and other things. There, it's sometimes it may harm your money and property, so it's risky. So apart from that, this ROM is fast and sound quality is good, and internet is okay, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth is working properly, fine, and there is nothing to say. And if you want this ROM, it will work in Redmi Note 8 and 8T. So the link will be description below. You can flash. And if you are in Android 10, just flash Android 11 FW. There is version of Android 11 FW. You just search Google, you will find it. Then flash this ROM. Or if you are in Android 11, then you no need to flash. And this ROM is running on Android 12. That's good actually. So you are getting almost all of the feature of Android 12. And now Android 13 is released already. There is developer preview for Redmi Note 8 also. So I will flash that ROM and I will check it and I will tell you that that ROM is stable or not. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please thumbs up and I'll see you next time.